It's the holidays, and we all know what that means. It's time to buy and make gifts for people. So, here's some projects that I think you guys can either gift to people or sell to buy gifts. Let's dive in. What's going on, guys? Ethan with Grace and Grains back again on a beautiful Sunday afternoon. So, as you guys know, we started the series essentially where we are going to be starting a woodworking business in my garage and see where we can take it. It's been super hot the last month and a half. I think we're finally on the downturn. I said that last time. I'm hoping it's true. It's still 85, but we're getting there. So here's some projects that I think you guys can make super quick and easy. Everything that you see here, and you guys are gonna see even more here in a second, were made from scraps. They were free. They were already free from other projects. So here's the deal. There's zero cost in these. These are all from scraps that I can sell. So realistically, I think each candle holder is gonna bring $30 to $40. I am going to include the candles, which I recommend you guys do as well. $30 to $40 were for some scraps that took me all in at the most an hour to make all of these right here. So right here, as you see, this is just maple and walnut strips ripped down and glued together. Most of the things that most of my scraps are already going to be jointed and planed. And I would assume a lot of yours are as well. So these are super easy to glue up. Same thing with this. Walnut, and I believe that's oak. We got some mahogany and some maple, along with magnolia. So, like I said, these things are super easy to make. I'll run you through. So what I did, rip them down on the table saw, glue up the strips. After that, all I did, ran it through the jointer, or you can run it back through the table saw if you want, just to make them, flush them up a little bit. Add an edge profile. I typically do a round over, like a 1/2 inch or a 3/4. And then I used a 1 5/8 Forstner bit and just went to the depth of the T-lights. So you can still grab them. My thing is you want to make sure that there's still enough of a lip that you can still grab them. So they're not going to be super difficult to get out. And then all I did was rattle can lacquer. I am an advocate for rattle can lacquer. Couple reasons why. One, it dries super fast. By the time that you spray it, and it's, whenever you spray it, it's gonna dry before it even gets on any of your tools or anything. It's typically just gonna fall to the ground. So you're not even gonna see it. It's, more on like a microscopic level, I guess you could say. It dries super fast. It's self-wetting. So if you get a run, all you do is spray it back down on your next coat, rub that run out, and you're done. And then once I'm done, a little trick, I take a paper sack to it, like a literal paper sack that you'd put a lunch in, and just sand it all down. It knocks all the grain back down, makes them buttery smooth. So again, guys, these are super quick and easy to make. These are made from scraps. They're $3.99 for me. And I'm gonna sell them. And so over the next coming, I'd say 30 days, I'm gonna be selling them. I'm gonna be marking them on Facebook Marketplace. And then in 30 days, we're gonna touch back together, and I'm gonna see what I made on them. What did I sell? How did I sell them? How did I market them? So don't forget to subscribe. Join the journey, guys. We're gonna be doing big things. So let's go on to the next one. All right, next up, we got cheap bottle openers. Big thing. Bottle openers are super easy to sell. One, because you can make them for so cheap, you can sell them for cheap. For me, I'm probably gonna be selling these for, I'd say probably one for $12 to $15 in my market personally. And then I'll do like a bundle deal. But the big thing is if someone can buy, let's say 10 of them for, I don't know, let's say 120 bucks, whatever it is. They have 10 gifts right there for $120. I mean, that is a good deal in the grand scheme of things. For me, these things are super easy to make. All I did, you take a nice scrap. Like for me, I did walnut, I did oak, I did some nice maple, and these are all just easy cut-offs that I had. All you do, use a Forstner bit and go with a 1 5/8 first. Honk out enough to where you can insert the little bottle opener tab, and then the rest of it you're just going to use a 1 inch to be able to have a slot and a space in there for the bottle opener to actually catch. And then I always add a 1 inch magnet on the back just so people can put them on their refrigerators, things like that. I got all of the bottle openers I got a 20 pack for $8, I think. So my cost is next to nothing on all of these. And I made, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 of them, and it took me, I'd say no more than 45 minutes all in with spraying them with rattle can lacquer again. Again, I'm gonna sell these for $12 to $15 a piece. I'll probably bundle, maybe do 10 for 100, something like that. But even then, when I have a total of maybe $1 at the most in each, we're gonna be winning either way. So I'll show you guys a little bit of B-roll on what it looks like throughout the process. But again, this is something that you guys can make easily, quick and easy. That's the name of the game, especially in the holiday season. Now, personally, while I'm doing all of these, I'm still building furniture. I'm working on an oak coffee table right now. That's gonna be another build coming up. But these are super quick and easy, in the middle, when I'm waiting on the glue to dry, things like that. I can be building little things like this. Post them on Marketplace. It takes me all of an hour all in to make the listing, along with make the product as well. So, all right guys, well, I appreciate you guys tuning in. Again, this is just a super quick and easy way to make some cash, especially during the holidays. Even if you don't need cash for the gifts, upgrade your shops. Make something that you weren't able to before. Maybe you need some money for some more lumber. So, these are going to be some super quick and easy sells. I'm going to do another update video on these in 1 month, and we'll see how they sold, what I did. We'll go over the listings. We'll even go over the messages, and I can show you guys what I did. So appreciate you guys tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe. We are only going up from here. Have a good one.